wear earplugs or ear defenders. Choose gloves suitable for the task. Sanders are fitted with vacuum extraction systems, which operate when the machine is running. Such systems are very efficient, but cannot remove all the dust. That's why it's important to wear a protective mask to avoid breathing in any remaining harmful particles. Regardless of the surface being sanded, the personal protection is the same. Here in the preparation area, wear the correct mask, protective glasses, protective overalls and gloves. Safety shoes are recommended, as are ear defenders. When handling products, be sure to do so with care. Disposable gloves are recommended. Great care must be taken when mixing paint, since it contains harmful substances. Wear protective glasses to protect the eyes against splashes, such as from hardeners or thinners. Clean up splashes. Cans need to be closed after use in order to reduce solvents escaping into the air. In the mixing room, wear protective overalls, solvent-resistant gloves, safety shoes and glasses with side panels. Ensure containers are properly closed. Paints contain pigments, organic solvents and compounds which are harmful. The vehicle being refinished is completely protected from overspray. You should be just as